Let us discuss the life cycle of mosses. We're going to start here. This is the sporophyte stage of the moss, which is a diploid generation. It means the chromosome number is 2n, it's duplicated. The sporophyte plant produces spores, and it does that by meiosis. These spores are dispersed into the environment, and then they develop into gametophyte plant. There's the male gametophyte and female gametophyte. Gametophyte plant is a haploid generation. They produce gametes, sperms and eggs. Gametophyte plants produce gametes by mitosis, and then these gametes, they fertilize. The sperm, as we discussed earlier, it has a flagella, it swims to the egg, and then fertilization happens, and the zygote is going to develop into a new sporophyte plant. Now let's discuss the second type of bryophytes, the liverworts. And the term liverworts refers to the flat multilobe body. You can see it in the picture here. You can see that the body of the liverworts are flat, and it looks like the actual liver. Liverworts have the ability to reproduce asexually by forming a structure called gamete. Gamete are clusters of cells. They grow on the gametophyte, and they grow to become a separate plant. Also, liverworts have the ability to reproduce sexually. The last type of bryophytes are the hornworts, and they are named hornworts because they have horn-like structures, or pointy. You can see it in the figure. It's pointy, that's why it's called horn. It looks like horns. But what we're looking at is the sporophyte stage. Sporophyte, they grow on the gametophyte. You can find the gametophyte here. It's a flat ribbon shape. Spores are produced at the tip of the sporophyte. So here you can find the spores. Once they are mature, the tip splits, and then the spores are released into the environment. But unlike mosses and liverworts, the sporophyte stage of hornworts are photosynthetic because their cells contains chloroplast. As a matter of fact, each cell contains one chloroplast, and that's special about hornworts. Also, hornwort sporophyte have the ability to survive even after the gametophyte dies. So even after the lower part, or the lower structure here, dies, the sporophyte can still survive. And that's it for this lesson.